Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace keyboard for Dell Latitude 6400 or 6300 series. Okay, please click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to our channel to support this project. Thank you. So I will be riding on with this, so just ride with me. As we all know, YouTube has become the best skill acquisition center. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you, so the tools you need are the screwdriver, the flat screwdriver, and a star screwdriver. In place of the flat screwdriver, you can use a knife or anything that has a sharp edge just to remove the cover that is covering the keyboard area. So let's go now. Close to the power button, just you look at here, close to this power button, there is a small hole, a notch that you're going to lift up, that you're going to pop up to lift up that cover. So you slide your screwdriver, your flat screwdriver into it and then pop it up. Okay, so you can see from that video from here, yeah, you pop it up, drop your screwdriver, then use your hands, you can see you lift it from that point down to this point. Okay, and put it aside. After you have done that, the next step is for you to take your star screwdriver and then lose the two screws that are just there. One is somewhere around here, you lose it. Okay, after loosening it, then you take it off. Okay, then the second one is somewhere around here too, so you lose it also and take it off. Now the next thing is to pop up the keyboard, so you hold it from the left and the right hand side and the center as well. Just lift it up a bit, just like as it's been shown. Just lift it up, pull it up a bit. Okay, after you have pulled it up a bit, now move your hand to the left and to the left corner and the right corner, then pull it. Look at it. Yeah, you pull it this way, slide it out gently. Okay, you can see it's out of the hole of the connecting port, the slot. Okay, so you keep the keyboard that is bad, keep it aside, and then take the new keyboard. Okay, now look at that hole, that slot, yeah, the keyboard slot here. Okay, you slide it in first. Okay, while maintaining these other ends too, these two ends, then you pop it in, then slide it in properly. Okay, and push it down, yeah, like that. Just push it down. Okay, after pushing it down, you make sure it's sitting properly. Then you take your screws. Okay, the two screws you used earlier, just screw them in and screw them in. Okay, and if there is no screw on yours, no problem, just make sure it's sitting properly. Then take the cover. Now you start from the other end, as opposed to where you started from earlier, opposite side. So you slide it in there. Okay, you see you have to pop it in a little in. Okay, you see from this angle, yeah, you bend it a bit, pop it, let it enter under the screen first, then you slide it, pop it in. Okay, then you close that one too, you bend it a little and let it slide in into under the screen. Then you just press the buttons down, press exactly, make sure it's firm. Yeah, I think it's a very simple process. Thank you. Keep it up. Just keep it up.